Hi guys! Welcome in my channel. Kamusta kayo dyan? Sa mga hindi pala nakakaalam, ngayon ay holiday dito sa Denmark. Ano siya? Stua Bella Day. It means, that's in Danish, Stua Bella Day. If you translate it in English, it's a Big Prayer Day. So, meron silang tradisyon dito sa Denmark na every Stua Bella Day, mag-ano sila, kanang magkaon gina sila og kanang white bread. They call it here Varme Bella. Tama bang pronunciation ko? Basta, yan, Varme Bella. Yun ang binibake nila at kinakain talaga nila. Yan, nilalagyan nila ng butter. Yan ang kinakain ng mga Danish. Actually, that's their tradition. So, what I'm going to do now, so para hindi na ako bibili sa bakery, naisipan kong mag-bake na lang. Ako na lang ang mag-bake. So, mag-bake ako ngayon ng white bread. Wala ang ating mga ingredients sa ating white bread. Yes. 2 eggs. 200 grams of butter. And 200 ml of milk. And 450 grams of flour. Yan ang ating mga ingredients. First natin gawin, ating i-boil ang milk. I-warm natin ang milk for 35 degrees. And we have to put the fire. That's the fire. Yes. It's up. Yes, we have to put here. We have to mix it. It's very important that we don't kill the yeast. Otherwise, it will not grow. So we are going to put 2 eggs. And we have some. Mix it. I'm using this because I don't want to scratch. I'm using spatula because I don't want to scratch my pan. So here in this big bowl, we are going to pour the flour, 150 grams of flour, and then we have to mix it with the butter. 100 grams of butter. And of course, it's very important that we wash our hands before we touch that flour. Okay? It's very important. That's the most important thing to keep it clean. So we have to mix it together. Kung meron naman kayong electric mixer, you can use electric mixer. But I prefer to use my hands. We will mix it until it will blend together with the flour. You have to continue mixing it until it will dissolve. But as I told you, wash your hands, guys, before doing something. Especially now, there's some COVID. So that is the flour. So we are going to mix it here slowly. So guys, this is our the yeast. and also the egg together. So we have to pour it slowly, the flour mixture with the butter, and mix it. Mix it more. It's important that we have left a little bit of flour so we can use this when we, how to call this one, when we knead the dough, so it will not stick in to the surface. Kita niyo ba ako, guys? So just mix the dough and that, and that opens good. So I think I'm gonna add more flour. So this flour, the leftover flour we have here, we have to put it into the here, spread it here and spread it over, so our dough will not stick in to the ground, to the surface. And we have to pour the dough here. 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 There we go. So what are we gonna do is we have to slowly put in here, because actually I don't have the one that it should be. I have that one. The scrubber. I don't know what it's called. Maybe I can use this one. It's sticking in my hands. I can use this one instead. Para lang makaumpisa ako na hindi siya mag-stick sa aking kamay. Okay. If it is very weak, guys, you need to put more flour so it will not stick in your hands, you know. We need to be, it's not sticking. So, start to manage the dough now. Here. So what are we gonna do? We are going to let it grow for at least 1 hour. And here's the dough, guys. That's the dough. We have to leave it for 1 hour at least, so it will grow. Okay. That's very important to grow. Baking cloth. Yes. And let it stay for at least 1 hour. Okay, you have to leave it there. We are going to come back after 1 hour. See you. Ayan na, guys. Patubuin ko muna ito ng kahit 20 minutes. So, while I'm going to preheat the oven. Ayan na, nag-double na siya. Open natin. Ayan, nag-double na siya. So, ilagay na natin siya sa oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Or 25 minutes. You are almost about to. Yan, 150 degrees. Aray ko ang hot. Yan na po ang ating parmagela. Lagi. Yung white bread natin. You are almost about to. Hi. Mm.